How to trim videos on Instagram stories. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Instagram applications and there tap on this add icon. After that, tap on story and select the video that you want to trim. Okay, so here there is no options of trim, so you cannot trim the videos for stories in Instagram. But what you can do is go back and tap on post. After that, select the video that you want to trim, tap on next. So here at the bottom left corner of your screen you'll find edit video. Tap on it and select the video and simply trim this. Drag this to trim the video, and here we have made it of 4 seconds. Okay, after that, at the top right corner of your screen tap on the save option. Wait till it proceeds. So the video has been saved. Now go back and tap on story again. After that, select the trimmed video and add it on your story. So that's what we'll do. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.